Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Rashmi. Well, I'm here again with another product, entirely dedicated one. Yes, like my previous video on rose water. So today I'm going to speak about cleansing milk entirely. So let me quickly tell you what are the benefits of using cleansing milk. So now cleansing milk is something which actually take out all the dirt, gunk, contaminant and infectious material which is present on your skin, so instantly. Okay, so along with that it even takes out your makeup. So if you're using any kind of makeup, light makeup, heavy coverage makeup, long lasting makeup, everything just comes out just in one go. So yes, so this is the basic property of cleansing milk. So now most of us think that cleansing milk is only used by the people who apply makeup on their face. Well, this is entirely wrong. It's not the truth. The truth is, if you're going outside, if you're exposed to the environment, I mean the dusty environment, if you're going in hot sun, if you're working in AC office or something, if you're having the best like kind of environment where nothing is there, it's greenery, even though whatever may be the things, your skin is going to attract the contaminants which you cannot see through your eyes. So well, our skin is porous and it produces oil of itself. So what happens is, if it can produce oil, then definitely it has the capacity to take the things inside as well. So what happens when the dust and everything sits on your face and you do not take it out? In that case, the dust particles is going to clog your pores. It enters the pores and then starts building up very slowly, and then it turns out to be a whitehead or blackhead. And if there are any infectious contaminants present, then it is going to end your skin up with lot of pimples. And trust me, pimples, once you get, it's very hard to treat. Trust me, it is very hard, and then it takes a long time for you to return back to your normal skin. So prevention is always better than cure. So why not? So when you have a product at your door store, so yes, there are various companies in the market which are coming up with a very good cleansing milks, like purely cleansing milk in combination with other good factors like tea tree oil, or it may be sandalwood, etc. So you name it and you get it. So the companies are coming up with good range. So you are having cleansing milk right from low budget, medium budget to higher budget, depending upon your skin tone. So cleansing is very important. Make it as a routine, because every day your skin is tired, it is having so much of gunk. Take it out before you sleep and your skin will be fresh, supple and clean, and next day you are ready to go again. Apply and experiment any kind of makeup product, but just do not forget to take it out. That is what you call a tip I can give. So now you may be thinking that, oh god, my skin is overly sensitive, I cannot use any chemical product. So in that case, you have a product at your doorstep, dear. Open your refrigerator, you will have a milk. So I'm not talking about a cleansing milk, I'm just talking about a milk, cow milk or buffalo milk. So I suggest a cow milk. So yes, take a raw cow milk and put it on your skin and wait for like 2 minutes. Just give it a 30-second massage and wipe it off using a tissue paper or cotton, and then you see, you can literally see the gunk on that. Trust me, you have to try this. At the end of the day, do that and you will get to know how much dirt is there on your face. So you can use your regular milk as a cleansing lotion as well. So apart from that, milk is having other beneficial properties. So we know it as a complete food because we take it. It is having it is packed with your vitamins and proteins, but along with that, it does miracles to your skin as well. So it acts like a moisturizer, it keeps your skin very supple, it cleans your skin, it acts like anti-aging cream as well. So whatever fine lines and wrinkles are formed due to aging, everything smooths down. So it milk has a whitening property as well. It if it is used with different type of products like banana or lemon juice, so this acts like a slight, I mean light bleaching agent as well. So apart from that, milk even is a good conditioner for the dry, frizzy and dull hair. Apply it as a conditioner and wash it off and just have a look. So if you do not like the smell of milk like me, I'm not a milk person, so I do not like. So I do it once in a week to keep my hair soft and supple. In that way, I do not feel that I'm going out and I don't get conscious. But if you are a milk person, if it is fine with you, whenever you're going out, even you do that, slight of milky smell you will be having. If you don't want that, do it when you are home. So this is my suggestion. So apart from that, as I said, market is offering you cleansing milk. You can pick any depending upon your type of skin. So now every company which has come up with cleansing milk will have a cleansing milk for your skin type. So suppose if you're having oily or combination or dry, you will definitely get a cleansing milk according to you. So now how will you tell whether the cleansing milk is suitable for you or not? All you have to do is just do a patch test and see. If you do not have that burning sensation, or if you do not have that itchy feeling or redness, then definitely it's a go for you. And one more thing I would like to say, if you're having like some scratch on your skin, some wound on your skin, and there if you are applying or a big pimple which is open, and then if you are applying cleansing milk over that, definitely it's going to burn. But that doesn't mean that it is an allergic substance for you. Do it on a normal skin and check it out. You will definitely like it. Please make it a routine to use a cleansing milk, even though if you do not apply makeup. This helps, this keeps your skin in a better condition and preps your skin for beautiful makeup as well. If you're having a better skin, pimple free skin, then anything you can experiment. Your makeup just glide on your face very beautifully, and you will look beautiful as always. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends, and if you have any comments, please comment in the section below. Let me know how you like this video. If you have any suggestions regarding the improvement of my videos, or if you want me to do any specific review on any product, do let me know. I will definitely do it for you. So that's all for today. See you again in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.